Now, I've been using and reviewing quite a lot of wearables on this channel lately from Samsung, Google, Apple, Garmin and Oura. But there's one app that's helping me keep all of my runs and workouts together, and that app is called Strava. And in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy devices and the Samsung Health app to Strava. Now, to do this, first open up the Samsung Health app on your phone and then press the three dots in the top right corner of the app, then Settings. Scroll down into the settings and then pick services. You'll then see a couple of options here. Select Strava, and now you'll be redirected to log into Strava if you haven't already. And once you've logged into Strava, you'll then see the screen where you'll be asked for certain permissions to share data between Samsung and Strava. Now remember that this is a two-way street in that you're not only uploading your workouts from Samsung Health to Strava, but your Samsung Health app will also show other workouts from Strava. So make sure you go through these options and pick exactly the ones that you want. I just leave them all ticked and then press authorize. And that's it. Your Strava and Samsung Health and Samsung Galaxy devices are now connected with each other. Now to disconnect your Samsung Health app and Strava for whatever reason, go to the settings and services section again and then uncheck the Strava option from here. You'll then be asked to confirm the disconnection, and once you've done that, that's it. Both apps are now disconnected from each other. So that's how you connect your Samsung Galaxy devices and the Samsung Health app to Strava. Now, if you want to watch my full in-depth reviews of the latest Samsung wearables, I'll drop them out here around the video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss out on my epic comparison between the Oura ring and the Samsung Galaxy ring. See you in the next one.